Welcome back to the family farm, ladies and gentlemen. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm gonna get back to it. Simba's out here with us. Come on. Come on, Simba. Come on, buddy. Simba, come on. Yeah, he's not interested. This is his doghouse. Here's the trampoline. There's the swing. Let's give it a try. Just like I remember it. There we go. Was it blurred out before too? Peaceful out here, not gonna lie. Yo, a big old tree this thing's attached to. It's been here as long as I can remember. This thing's older than I am. Just wait till that tree gets full of leaves. It's, I believe, late winter or early springtime. I don't know which one, but it's warm enough for me to consider it to be spring. Those are the blueberry bushes. And this is, I think, the Japanese oak. Here's Harvey's house. There's the archery target. My bow and arrows hood up because if I left it outside during the winter, it'd mess up the bowstrings. So maybe a while before I'm posting another archery video. Let me show y'all how to harvest onion grass real quick. Grab it close as you can to the bottom. Wiggle it. Readjust. Do that again. There's also a way to harvest them one by one, but this is more efficient. Onion grass is entirely edible. I used to just sit and eat these after I washed them off. Nothing like some wild onion grass, let me tell you. This is in there pretty deep. I got a few. I'm a bit rusty. I got a few. Let's see if I can't shimmy the rest of these out of here as they are. Well, that one broke pretty close to the bottom. Might be able to get this one out. Nope. I messed it up. But if you want to harvest them one at a time, you're going to want to find one with a thick stem like this one right here. And let me set down these onions right here. Right there. And show you how I do this. Use my right hand. go to the bottom. And I messed it up. Don't worry, the greens are still edible. It's been so long since I've done this, I'm messing it up like terribly. Oh, we got a primer here. Seedling bulb. Shows how fresh these are. Oh, we got it. We got it. I managed to get this one. There it is, right in there. See if I can't turn on my flashlight here. See right there. There's an entire onion in there. Turn off my flashlight here. See if I can't get this out. This is a big one. Its roots go down way deep. Its roots are going way down there. The roots are always the hardest part to bring up. You just want the onion itself. See if I can't widen the hole here. Pretty sizable for wild onion grass, let me tell you. Pretty sizable for early in the year anyway. It'll get a lot bigger later in the year though. I'm gonna have to set my phone down while I get this out. And it broke. I managed to get a different one out. There we go. Got a different one out, but first one broke. That's a shame. Oh, here's another one. There we go. Another wild onion. Using my offhand for this, so I'm surprised I'm getting any right now. Got quite a few wild onions right now. Got quite a few. Surprised I managed to get any. It's been so long since I've done this. Those are gonna have some big onions at the bottom. But that's how, this is what onion grass looks like right here. I'm pretty sure there are very few lookalikes to onion grass. So it should be very easy to identify. That right there, that's onion grass. And it grows in, it'll probably, truth be told, it probably grows in your front or backyard. Easy way to identify is if you smell the grass, it smells like onions. And then, of course, there's an onion at the bottom. See, it grows all right here. It's these darker patches like that one right here. That right there. Right there, that is onion grass. It's growing pretty crazy right now. Get the others out here and maybe we can start harvesting it. My hands are dirty now, but I'm gonna go wash these off and I'll be right back. Alright, I cleaned them off. We're gonna head inside. This next part is, well, if you're a child, do not try this at home, because it involves the use of a knife. Or if you do it, you can just as easily do this with a butter knife. Onion grass is a very, very soft plant, so okay, so right here at the green, right here, I want to cut it a little lower. And then that's the onion green. That's the onion. Well, the green's lower on this one. That one's going to be really spicy. Now the big ones, you're going to have to cut like right on the green, not lower. Now, remember, these are onions, so they got a bit of a spice to them. The onion greens, you can then pick up all as one and chop them. It's a pretty simple concept. Now to show that this is actually edible, I will take this one here. I'm going to eat another one. I'll eat them all. No one else eats them.
There's that area, you're right, there's an area, if you go past where the marine
Then the big one.
and you go past all that, you keep walking.
The prize of the day.
There's like this big open area that's just a big yard and it's got some benches for you to sit on.
Then the greens.
It's like a big open yard. Yeah.
They're a bit chewy,
Yeah.
but they are edible.
As long as there's no power lines in
remember to wash them off with hot water and dish soap, because that's what I did.
Alright, you wanna go through the stuff with me?
It's pretty good.